My name's Fuzz and I am here in the Belmore Basin collecting garbage as a scuba diver. My good friend Adrian, Plummer, one morning came to me and said, Fuzz, hey, let's go out into the basin, let's collect garbage, let's clean up our oceans. And I thought, you know what, that sounds great to me. When you first hit the water, you start to submerge, it's just surreal feeling. There's 3 dimensions of water around you. It's just really beautiful.
My name's Adrian, I study marine science and I dive for rubbish in the Wollongong Harbour. One of the things that inspired me was when I went over to Costa Rica in the semester holidays. I did some volunteer work with a group over there, and one of the activities that we did was picking up and quantifying rubbish. And that just inspired me to come back here and do something similar. I guess it feels good knowing that you're making a difference and doing something that you can actually see. You can see the change. Over all the cleanups I've done, we've picked up 524 cigarette butts, 641 bits of plastic packaging, 139 aluminium cans, 90 plastic bottles and over 60 glass bottles, as well as 114 plastic lids, 277 bits of small plastic, less than 2.5 centimetres across. Yeah, so that's all collected within only 2 months.
Obviously prevention is so much better than treatment. As much as I love doing this, I would love it if I didn't actually need to do this.